The simplest approach to grow potatoes indoor. Suppose I told you that just a bucket or bag could help you to raise pounds of fresh, tasty potatoes right inside of your house. It's absolutely true, and thousands of people are already learning that the simplest approach to raise potatoes indoors does not call for a vast garden, raised beds, or elaborate garden arrangement. The surprise in this tale is that among the easiest crops to cultivate indoors can be the modest potato. That is, the same one you purchase in a dusty bag at the grocery store. Moreover, this is really enjoyable job that can lower your grocery costs, cut food waste, and even turn into a family experiment. Keep reading. Therefore, if you ever ponder how to cultivate potatoes, how to raise potatoes in a bucket, or how to grow sweet potatoes, or even how to cultivate potatoes in a container, you'll be itching to squeeze a bag of dirt, a potato, and a pail and begin your own little crop by the conclusion of this. Potatoes in a bucket. Most people picture fields of dirt stretching to the horizon when asked, how do potatoes grow? But the truth is, potatoes need depth rather than a lot of room. That explains the success of the trick of employing a bucket, container, or grow bag. Potato plants, unlike lettuce or herbs, keep producing tubers as you hew them, burying their stems more deeply with soil as they matured. A container helps you to manage that process inside without weeds, pests, or unfavorable weather destroying your harvest. The essential procedures. Number 1. Choose your potato. Sprouting, store-bought ones or seed potatoes, best choice. Second, prepare your container, 5-gallon bucket, fabric grow bag, or any deep container should have a few holes drilled in it. Third, put your potato parts 4 to 6 inches under dirt and plant them. Fourth, until you approach the top of the container, keep covering the potato plants with soil as it grows taller. Fifth, after 90 to 120 days, depending on the kind, you will empty the pot to review your homegrown bounty. It literally feels like finding golden treasures hidden beneath the earth. Which kind of potatoes in a bucket, bag, or conventional soil bed would you prefer? Leave your choice below. Why growing potatoes indoor is the pinnacle twist. Here's the unexpected turn. Often, indoor potatoes outperform those grown outside. Why? Indoors, you still clear of pests, soil illnesses which destroy crops, frost or too much rain are among weather issues. Moreover, you have complete control of when to sow potatoes. There is no need to wait for spring or ponder how many days it takes to cultivate potatoes in your particular climate. Indoors, the guidelines are straightforward. Give them 12 to 16 hours of light and consistent heat, they will flourish year-round. Do you believe homegrown potatoes could be better tasting than store-bought ones? Why or why not? 5 verified methods for growing potatoes indoor. Here are 5 simplest ways people are using right now if you are still unclear how to plant potatoes indoor. Everyone has spread on social media. Number 1, the classic bucket technique. Drill drainage holes in 5-gallon bucket. Add 4 inch of soil, arrange your potato pieces, cover gently. Keep the potato plants growing soil healed. Hands down the most used interior potato planting strategy. Second, grow bag potatoes. Fabric grow bags are ideal since they breathe. You may harvest early potatoes by just unzipping the side flap or reaching inside. This is the greatest part. For those looking on how to cultivate potatoes in a bag, this is the usual approach. 3. Towers for stacking potatoes. Some do-it-yourself gardener build potato towers by milk crates stacking as the plant develops. Super entertaining if you have a passion for inventive ideas. 4th, vine of sweet potatoes indoor. Want to try something new? Growing sweet potatoes indoor follow almost the same methods. Save sweet potatoes prefer warmer temperatures. The vine also provide lovely indoor decor. 5th, hydroponic potato growth. Yes, individuals are trying hydroponic system to grow potatoes in water. It's small scale, but it's the ideal indoor hack. Hydrophobic, bucket, bag, or tower. Which approach appeals coolest to you? Why function superior than you think? For some reasons, the potato is a survival food. It is robust, nourishing, and lasts. Growing potatoes indoor, however, transform it from just food into something far more interesting. You will save money. Potatoes are affordable, but growing them is less expensive. Using that sprouted potato in your kitchen instead of discarding it will help you to lessen food waste. You will design an enjoyable family project. Children adore searching for buried potatoes like treasure. And when you know how to grow potatoes in a container, you are essentially acquiring a survival ability. Growing food anywhere depends on your ability to cultivate potatoes in a container. Would you choose something else, or do you believe potatoes are the best survival crops? Last thoughts. Your upcoming potato choices. The solution is simpler than you believe. Take hold of a bucket, add soil, plant that potato, hew it up. You will tip it over in a few months and experience the rush of covering your own crops of fresh golden tubers. Gardening is an experience. A small experiment with a surprise, and who knows, you may just find that raising potatoes indoor is simpler, more fulfilling than you ever expected. Your turn. Which technique would you attempt? A bucket, a bag, or something? Comments drop here.